Hello, YouTube, and welcome to your elite weather forecasting. My name is Mr. G, your weather forecaster today, and we're going to be talking about your weather today. And out there across America, we've been seeing a lot of bad and wet weather across the southern tier of the nation, from Texas and through portions of the deep south, while everything is just peachy across the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and portions of the northern plains. So let's take a look at our weather today as we look at those weather highlights that we're going to be seeing out there over the next couple of days. And that heavy rain is going to continue down across the southern plains through Texas and through portions of the deep south, and that hot California weather, and also in the Pacific Northwest, and beautiful weather across the Midwest and the Great Lakes for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's take a look at that heavy rain. We're seeing that rainfall out there across the deep south here, down through central Texas, and through portions of the lower Mississippi Valley. We're talking Louisiana, Mississippi, and through portions of Alabama and Georgia, as well as the Florida Gulf Coast here through the Panhandle. We're seeing heavy rain down through the state of Florida and into portions of the southeast here and into the Carolinas, the mid-Atlantic states. Some more showers as we have a big area of low pressure here in the northeast, with this extended cold front that's extending down into the deep south. A large area of high pressure through the Great Lakes and the Midwest is really pushing this guy down to the south and helping to produce that heavy rain down along the Gulf Coast. And we have our monsoons continuing through the Four Corners in the desert southwest, and that is extending all the way through portions of the northern plains and the northern Rockies, where we have another area of low pressure that's moving off to the east there, and it's tapping into some of that monsoon moisture and providing some showers and storms there for Montana, Idaho, and portions of Wyoming. And we're even some of those showers and some severe thunderstorms possible through the northern plains and into far northern Minnesota near the Canadian border. Now here we are as we take a look at your weather forecast for your Tuesday. And out there for Tuesday, we have that heavy rain once again down here along the Gulf Coast, as we have this frontal boundary in place and some embedded areas of low pressure. So we have those short waves down here, and it's producing that heavy rainfall down here through portions of East Texas and through Mississippi and Louisiana and also southern Arkansas. So we're going to see that heavy rain down along the Gulf Coast here and into the state of Florida and through portions of the southeast and the southeast coast here. And we're going to see our northern end of this storm system here, where our main area of low pressure is in the northeast. So it's going to have some showers and some embedded thunder through portions of the northeast states and into New England for your Tuesday as well. Dry weather through the Midwest and portions of the Great Lakes, but we have another storm system there along the northern tier of the nation near the Canadian border that's going to be spreading showers and thunderstorms through portions of Montana and into the northern plains and northern Minnesota for your Tuesday. But we're going to see that hot and dry weather through the Pacific Northwest and down through the state of California, where those temperatures will be in the triple digits through the Golden State out there. And our monsoons are going to continue there across the Four Corners for yet another day, as we're starting to see signs that the monsoons might start coming to an end soon. But you still get a few more days of those thunderstorms across the southern southwestern deserts out there. And as for your Wednesday is concerned, more of the same. This forecast is nearly a carbon copy of Tuesday, but we will expand that area of heavy rain down here across the southeast through portions of East Texas and through Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas, as our storm system remains in place, and this area of low pressure right here shifts a little bit to the east and kind of moves that heavy rain access to the east with it. So we're going to continue to see those flooding rains down here along the Gulf Coast. More showers and storms through Georgia and Florida as well, and through portions of the southeast. But we will start to dry out into the northeast as our area of low pressure moves offshore and kind of trails off there through portions of far northeastern Canada, through New Brunswick out there, and it's headed towards Greenland, but it's still dragging its frontal boundary across portions of the southeast. And we're starting to watch the tropics because there are signs that the tropics could get interesting toward the end of the month of July of August. It's right. It's no longer July. It's now August. But we're going to see that high pressure through the Great Lakes and the Midwest. A few showers and storms because we have another frontal boundary here across the northern tier of the nation near the Canadian border. So we should see a few showers and maybe a thunderstorm there through portions of Wisconsin and Minnesota as well for your Wednesday. But dry across the northern plains. But we will see more showers through the state of Montana, through far northern Idaho, as well as the northern half of Wyoming. But it's going to remain hot and dry in the Pacific Northwest and down through the state of California, including the Great Basin of Nevada. So it's going to be hot out west and beautiful through the Midwest and the Plain States for you Wednesday. Now, a quick look at the tropics as we talk about this guy out here, and right now it has a 10% chance of developing over the next 24 to 48 hours. But I'm starting to think as this guy moves out more towards the central Atlantic, it could get a little bit interesting as we're starting to see in the models that the GFS and the Euro is trying to instigate a major hurricane somewhere in the main development region. So we got the possibility of the tropics exploding here with at least 2 to 3 hurricanes in the Atlantic at the same time. So we went from a tropical season where there was virtually no activity to an explosion of activity. So we'll see if our predictions for how busy this tropical season will be hangs on, because they're still predicting an above average tropical season, and we've been dealing with that dust off the Sahara, and it's kind of put a lid on any tropical development thus far. But we will start to see some activity down here through portions of the Atlantic and along the southern Caribbean, as well as we watch this first tropical wave come off the coast of Africa and move across, and we have another one poised to develop and come off the coast of Africa as well. But when you're dealing with systems that haven't even formed yet, even though the models are being consistent with the possibility of multiple major hurricanes in the Atlantic at the same time. So that's all I have for now, guys. Just a quick forecast for you guys, because I have started my fall semester and I'm trying to figure out what my homework and work study is going to look like here, or my study periods are going to look like. So I will see you guys in the next video. Can't promise you one tomorrow, but I'll try my best to get you a quick one. So that's all I have for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.